And here's your question. Alright, sa tanong na ito, pwedeng totoo, pwedeng fictional, pwedeng local, or pwedeng foreigner.
No?
Alright. Magbigay ng kilalang tao na may James sa kanyang full name. Go!
James LeBron.
James Reid?
Tingin niyo ba nandiyan si James Reid? Survey says... Eugene, since top answer to a pass or play.
Play po.
Bea,
Correct.
alright, Bes. Kamusta yung injury mo? Fully recovered na?
Hindi pa po ako fully recovered, but getting there na po.
Getting there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Praying for your speedy recovery,
Thank you
yeah?
po.
Sana makalaro ka very, very
Thank
soon.
you po.
Alright, Des. Ito, again, pwedeng fictional, pwedeng local, pwedeng foreigner. Magbigay ng kilalang tao na may James sa kanyang full name.
James Bond?
Correct.
Nandyan po ba ang James Bond?
Nice.
1, 2, Dina. Again, pwedeng real, fictional, local, foreign. Magbigay ng
LeBron
taong
James.
kilalang James sa kanyang full name.
LeBron James.
Alright.
Siyempre, si LeBron James, mawawala ba dyan? Survey says,
Correct. That's what I said.
pwedeng real, fictional, pwedeng foreign,
James
pwedeng
Ingram.
local. Magbigay ng isang tao na may James sa pangalan niya.
James!
Tayo, Regine, back to you. Bale, meron pa tayong two tries. Regine, again, pwedeng real, fictional, local, foreign, tao na may James sa kanyang full name. Sino kaya? Sige lang. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, Regine.
James Ingram.
Please answers go.
Oh, come on.
One last.
James Yap.
Okay.
James Yap. Survey says. Yep.
Nice.
It's there. Yep, it's there. Dina. Sino pa kaya?
James and the Giant Peach.
Children's book. Oh, yun. Hanip naman. Talaga. Naalala pa niya.
Wow. I didn't remember that story. Nope.
Alright, Cool Smashers. Okay, this is your chance to steal, Michelle. May pangalan na James. Pwedeng local, pwedeng foreign, pwedeng fictional, pwedeng totoo.
Wala! James Corden.
Alright, Mia? Sino ba?
James Potter.
Nope.
Hindi ka alam na ba ako?
James Potter?
Harry James Potter.
Oo, si Harry Potter. Yun yung middle name niya.
I think so. I'm not so sure.
Tots, ano kaya?
Saint James.
James Ingram.
Lai, pwedeng totoo, fictional, local, foreign. Bigyan mo ako ng tao na may pangalan na James sa kanyang full.
Alam mo, dahil may experience dito si Tots, talaga nakadalawang beses na siya, we'll go for St. James.
Alright, that's good bet.
Talaga ba?
Sana marinig ni St. James ang inyong panalangin. Nandiyan pa po si St. James.